Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. First of all, what is PowerShell? PowerShell is a command line shell and scripting language developed by Microsoft. It is designed to automate administrative tasks and managing systems in Windows environment. PowerShell provides a powerful set of tools and features that allow users to interact with operating system and perform various tasks effectively. One of those key features of PowerShell is its extensive use of commandlets and commands. Commandlets are small single purpose commands that perform specific actions such as managing files, manipulating data, interact with the services and processes and more. These commandlets follow a consistent naming convention which makes easier to understand their purpose and uses. In addition to using individual commandlets, PowerShell allows users to write scripts using its scripting language. PowerShell scripting involves writing a series of commands and instructions that can be executed as a single unit. Scripts can include commandlets, logic operations, loops, and variables, enabling automation of complex tasks and workflows. By combining the use of commandlets and PowerShell scripting, system administrators can automate repetitive tasks, configure system settings, manage resources, and perform various administrative actions effectively and save the time and effort.